Alright, well, I'm here with this tree in my yard, and you can't really tell as much from this angle, but this tree is, as I mentioned in my other video, it's kind of growing out from the hillside and up, and then it swoops out to the side. So all that considered, right next to my mud hut right here, I'm going to build a new roof on there, and I don't want to get smashed by this tree coming down in the springtime. So we're going to take it down right now at a safe time when I don't have the structure built, and then we're going to harvest the lumber out of this tree to make some of the beams that I want to make to build the structure here. So what I did is I took this chalk crayon kind of thing and marked the tree. I stood down there and got at the bottom of the hill and got a good sight line exactly where my center line is going to be, and then I marked it up here because the tree it's not perfectly round. It's kind of irregular in shape, kind of hard to see from the left or the right if you're on the center or where you're at. And also because of the complexity of this tree here, I'm not just going to make the cut in the front and then make the cut in the back and have it go down simple. I'm going to have to be mindful of where I'm cutting the tree at first to get it to start to lean really the direction that I want, because it's actually kind of leaning to go a little bit closer to the mud hut than I want. So here is the hut right there, you can see, and the natural fall path of this tree is basically just along the side of the mud hut, but what I would like to do is actually follow it to go in the slot that I cleared in my previous video. I can't really see it. There it is. Okay, so we cleared this slot over here to follow this tree, and I'd like to do that. So I marked it up. I'm going to do the cuts, and then when I start to cut it, I'm going to cut it this side first, and then I'm going to move back around over here more to the center and free up the rest, and hopefully it will go exactly as we want, right next to that branch right there where I cut on my other video. So hopefully the tree will slide right down through there, and just like magic, we'll see.